Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Helium10 for keyword research on Amazon. Keyword research is the process of finding words and phrases that your potential customers use to search for products on Amazon. It is one of the most crucial steps in creating a successful Amazon business, as it helps you understand the demand, competition, and profitability of your niche. By using the right keywords in your listings, you can increase your visibility, relevance, and conversions on Amazon. You can also use keywords to create effective campaigns, target the right audience, and drive more traffic and sales to your products. However, keyword research can be challenging and time-consuming, especially if you don't have the right tools and strategies. That's where Helium10 comes in. Helium10 is a suite of software tools that helps you research, analyze, and manage your Amazon business. It has over 20 features that cover every aspect of selling on Amazon, from product research to listing optimization and much more. One of the most important features of Helium10 is its keyword research tool, which allows you to discover the most relevant and profitable keyword research for your niche and see how your competitors are ranking for them. So let's get started by heading to helium10.com. Here on the homepage, you can see the different pricing packages available, ranging from $29 a month to $229 a month. You will have to get at least the most inexpensive package at some point, but for today, we're going to sign up with the free trial, which gives us 5 free searches to get started. So to do that, go into the top right-hand corner and click sign up. Once you've done that, you'll be brought to this page and it's going to ask you to identify yourself. You can either be a seller, a brand, agency, consultant, or aggregator. Or if you're not selling yet, you can just click I haven't started selling yet and then click next. And then here it's going to give you the option to upgrade if you want to do that now. But if you don't want to, you can just click not right now and continue with your free trial. And here it's got some options to get you started, but we're just going to go ahead and click down here on go to my dashboard. So here is your dashboard, and we can see here it says find and launch your first product, and this is where we're going to start. So we're going to open a black box. You'll then be brought to this page and you're going to need to click on keywords. So first we're going to select our search volume, and that's going to be how many searches for this word there has been within the last month, and for this we're just going to put in 1,000. And then monthly revenue is, again, how much money has been made in the last month. So we're going to put a minimum of 1,000. Price, you can enter that if you want to, but we're going to leave that blank. And then review count. We want to keep the review count fairly low because we want to go in and list our products and get lots of reviews and rank really well. So we're going to put a maximum of 400 for review count. And then review rating, we're going to leave empty. And then for word count, we're just going to pop in a minimum of 2 because we don't want 1 word because that's not specific enough. And then we're going to go down to search. And you can see down here, it has given us a bunch of keywords. And it's telling you what the search volume is, what the price is, the monthly sales, monthly revenues. And over here in actions, you can go and view on Amazon. So if you wanted to see exactly what these products are. Underneath the listings, you can see the last year's sales numbers. You can click on items that you want to save for later. And then at the top, you can click on add keywords to my list, and that's just going to save them for later. If we scroll back up to the top of the page, we can go in and further define our search. So you could select your category, you could change the number of monthly sales and just update your search down here. And you can see it has updated it. So you can scroll through this list and find something that appeals to you. Once you've got a bunch of products or keywords saved up and you want to revisit them in your list, you can go up to Tools in the dashboard. And then you want to go to My Lists and Products. You can click on that and you can see it's got your saved products here. And then if you want to go to keywords, just at the top here, click on keywords. And that will show you all of your saved keywords. The next tool we're going to use to do keyword research is called Magnet. To find Magnet, go up to the bar across the top that says Tools. And in the drop-down menu, click on Magnet under Keyword Research. And because we're using the free trial, this is just going to be a very simplified version of the tool. But in this drop-down menu here, you're going to select the marketplace that you sell on. And then normally you would type in your keyword at the top, but because this is just the free trial, we're going to click one of the options it's already given us. So we're going to try pencil. And here it has given us a bunch of keywords related to pencil. You can see down here we've got school shopping, college supplies, lots of relevant keywords. And if you want to take a look at any of these keywords, you can just click on them and it's going to open Amazon and you can see what the search results look like for that keyword. And up at the top, we've got filters where we can filter this search a little bit more. You've got things like search volume, word count, competing products. But looking at the list again, there's two things we want to focus on. The first one is search volume, so that is how many people are searching for this keyword. And we want to order this list from highest search to lowest search, so just click on search volume and you can see that has reordered the keyword list for us. And the other thing we want to look at is competing products. And we want to find keywords that have quite low competing products, and we can actually limit the maximum number of competing products by heading back up to the filters and just entering about 5,000 in the maximum competing products. And then once you've done that, just click apply filters and it's now going to show us keywords that have a maximum of 5,000 competing products. And you basically want to go through this list of keywords and select the ones that are relevant to you. Not all of them will be. And you want to implement these keywords in your product titles and product descriptions. Finally, the last tool we're going to use for keyword research is called Cerebro. To find that, we're going to go back up to Tools in the top bar. Under Keyword Research, click Cerebro. And this is going to work in a similar way to Magnet. You're going to select the marketplace. And again, this is limited because we're using the demo version. But how you would normally use this is you would go to Amazon and you would find a product similar to what you want to sell. So let's use the pencil example that we used before. And you're going to go to Amazon, search for pencil, find a high ranking one like this one. And we're going to click on it and go all the way down to additional information, which is here. And we're going to grab the ASIN number here and you would just copy that and then paste it up here. But as I said, we're using the free version, so we're going to use one of the example ones down here, and we're going to click on it. And this is basically going to work in pretty much exactly the same way as the magnet tool, where you are going to go by search volume, and then look at the competing products. Again, you've got all the same filters, so we're going to change the search volume to 5,000. And in this case, the product that we're searching for is this dog toy here. And here are all the relevant keywords ranked based on search volume with a maximum of 5,000 competing products. And once again, just as before, you're going to want to implement relevant keywords from this list into your product titles and product descriptions to help you rank higher on Amazon. And that is it for this tutorial. Using those 3 keyword research tools, you should be able to improve your Amazon product listings and make more sales. Thanks for watching.